When you search for the best Orient watches, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy designs. But to find the ones that genuinely stand out, you've got to look beyond the surface. Product number 1, Seiko Japan Import. First up is the Orient RN-TX203S Men's Metal Band Sports Diver Design Seiko. It's priced at $292.97, and honestly, the first thing that caught my attention was its vibrant multicolor face. If you want a watch that combines style with functionality, this is worth a serious look. This watch is packed with features that really cater to your active lifestyle. It has a 1.5-second stopwatch and a chronograph, which is perfect for timing your workouts or daily tasks. Plus, it's solar-powered, meaning you won't have to worry about changing the battery anytime soon. With a water resistance of 20 ATM, you can take this beauty for a swim without stressing over it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This watch not only looks good but also keeps up with your daily adventures. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit bulky for everyday wear. Here's the thing though, if you're into a sporty look and need a reliable tool watch, the size shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's still lightweight enough to wear all day. This is perfect for you if you lead an active life and want a watch that reflects that. Skip this one if you're looking for something more understated. For the price, you're getting an impressive combination of style and durability. Product number 2, Komatsu Diving Watch. Next is the men's Komatsu Stainless Steel Automatic Diving Watch. With a price tag of $345, this watch stands out with its striking red dial. If you want a watch that makes a statement while still being practical, this is worth a serious look. What makes the Komatsu special is its automatic movement, meaning it winds itself with your wrist movement. This is great because you won't need a battery. Plus, it features a sapphire crystal, which is super scratch resistant. The watch is water resistant up to 200 m, making it suitable for serious water sports. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can enjoy your aquatic adventures without the fear of damaging your watch. Now, some users noted that the bezel can feel a bit stiff. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, you'll appreciate the solid feel it provides. It actually ensures that it won't accidentally turn while you're wearing it. This is perfect for you if you love diving or just want a durable watch for outdoor activities. Skip this one if you prefer a more classic or understated look. For its features, it offers solid value for the price. Product number 3, Bambino version 7. Then we have the Bambino version 7, priced at $270. The classic design immediately caught my eye, especially the small second subdial. If you want a dress watch that exudes elegance, this is worth a serious look. The Bambino is powered by the Orient F6222 automatic movement, which means it winds itself as you wear it. The 38.4 case size is just right for a sleek, dressy look. Plus, it has 30 meters of water resistance, which protects it from splashes. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether it's a wedding or a dinner date, this watch will complement your outfit perfectly without feeling out of place. Now, some people mention the water resistance is a bit low for their liking. Here's the thing though, for a dress watch, that's common and you're not likely to wear it in water anyway. It's about style and sophistication. This is perfect for you if you want an elegant watch for formal occasions. Skip this one if you need something more rugged. It's a steal at this price for a watch that looks high-end. Product number 4, Orient Sun and Moon. Coming up is the Orient Sun and Moon, priced at $394.90. The unique sun and moon feature on the dial caught my attention right away. If you want a watch that tells more than just time, this is worth a serious look. This watch runs on a mechanical movement, which offers hand-winding and self-winding capabilities. It has a 40-hour power reserve, meaning you can take it off for a day and still have it running when you put it back on. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This watch combines artistry with functionality, making it a conversation starter. Now, some users have pointed out that it can be a bit heavy. Here's the thing though, the build quality feels solid and luxurious, making that weight feel justified. It's about having a piece that feels substantial on your wrist. This is perfect for you if you appreciate craftsmanship and want a unique piece. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and minimal. It's worth the investment if you like distinct designs. Product number 5, Bambino version 9. Last on our list is the Bambino version 9, priced at $350. The addition of a weekly calendar in this model caught my eye. If you want a watch that balances style with practicality, this is worth a serious look. Powered by the in-house F6B24 movement, this automatic watch features a domed mineral crystal, which adds a vintage touch. With a case thickness of 14.2, it's sleek yet sturdy. It has a water resistance of 30 meters, which is decent for everyday wear. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having the weekly calendar function helps keep you organized without sacrificing style. Now, some people found the domed crystal a bit prone to scratches. Here's the thing though, it's a trade-off for that vintage look, and with proper care, it can remain stunning. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish watch that helps you stay organized. Skip this one if you're in need of something ultra-durable. For the features and classic design, it offers great value. So to recap, we've looked at the Seiko, Komatsu Bambino version 7, Sun and Moon, and Bambino version 9. Each of these Orient watches has its unique charm, whether you're after sporty durability, classic elegance, or a unique feature. No matter your style, there's definitely an Orient watch that's right for you.